Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make your OPPO A6 Pro 5G faster. So if you want to increase performance on the OPPO A6 Pro 5G, here are a few tips to help with that. And we're going to start with turning on high performance mode. So if you go to settings, then scroll down to battery, and then tap on battery mode. There are a few options that we can select from. So we have high performance mode, balance mode, power saving mode, and super power saving mode. So if you want the performance at a little cost of less battery life, make sure to enable high performance mode. So it will perform at its best, so it will max out all of the performance features, but it may heat up a little, and the battery is going to be lasting a little less. So then we also have the option to clear background apps. So there are apps currently running in the background of your phone, and we might want to disable some of those apps so they don't run in the background of the phone even when you're not using them. And to do that, we're going to scroll down to apps and then tap on app management and select an app that you want to disable. So maybe some app that you don't really need to do background operations. For example, let's do Amazon. And then we're going to tap on battery usage and tap on restrict background activity or enable smart mode. So restrict background activity fully or disables all the features it can, and smart mode automatically optimizes things. So I'm going to select restrict background activity, and this is this option can be enabled in most of the apps. So you can select pretty much any app, tap on battery usage, and select restrict background activity. And the next thing that we should do is to uninstall or disable bloatware. And what bloatware is just apps that come with your phone that aren't really official apps, but third-party apps. So I have these apps installed like Bridge Race, Weather24, Lady Shops, a whole folder with must-play apps, and these are bloatware because these aren't necessarily coming with the phone, so they aren't necessarily official, they're just third-party apps that came with your phone. So make sure to delete those by going to the home screen, tapping and holding on the app icon that you want to delete, and selecting uninstall. So just make sure to uninstall as many bloatware apps as you can, and that should free up some of the space on your phone and make the performance better. The next feature that you might want to enable is removing animations. So this is a big or pretty big performance boost that makes your phone feel much faster, and there are a few steps we're going to need to do before actually enabling this setting. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to About Device, then tap on Version, find version number, and then just tap on the icon until a passcode option appears. So you're going to keep tapping until it asks you to enter a passcode, and once you enter the passcode, you're going to enable developer mode. And developer mode just opens up a few hidden settings that aren't really available without it. So now that it's enabled, we're going to go back to the main settings menu, tap the search bar, and type in animation. So once we tap in animation, we're going to scroll down to System and Update, and tap on Window Animation Scale, and then tap on it again and select either 0.5x or off, and this disables or makes the animations faster. So then we are also going to do the same thing to Transition Animation Scale and Animator Duration Scale. And now all of the animations are going to be twice as fast and this will make your phone feel much faster. And this option will also work well with the refresh rate, fast refresh rate that comes with this phone. So we can have up to 120 Hz, and to enable 120 Hz on our phone, we're going to go once again to the main settings menu, tap on display and brightness, and then scroll down to screen refresh rate, and either enable auto select, so it selects the refresh rate for you depending on the battery, or enable high, so it's always locked to 120 Hz and makes your phone much smoother. So this is how you enable the 120 Hz mode. And the next thing that you could try to increase performance even further is to check for software updates. So if your phone is up to date, it's going to run at its best. And to check for software updates, we're going to go back to the main settings menu, scroll down to System and Update, tap on it, and then tap on Software Update. So here it's going to check whether your version is up to date or not. Mine is up to date, as you can see, but if yours isn't, make sure to update it and follow the guide to do so. And once you're done, this will also help with the performance. And that is pretty much it. So I hope this helps you increase your performance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.